Don't run.
All right, I hear you. Don't shout at me. No one is deaf, you know.
Mother, I don't know what's happened to you. Yesterday you said how you loved us. You said you hated that imposter.
People change, and it's you two I hate now.
Oh no! You idiot! Magician! I'm sorry.
Oh, it hurts now.
Oh, my dear.
I felt nothing before.
Mother, forgive me.
I didn't know what I was doing. But don't mourn me when I'm so glad to die. It hurt so much. It hurt to say I hated you when I loved you both really. I had to say it. And just dying doesn't hurt like that.
My dear. Yes, dead. Mother. Why did Yama let me leave his kingdom? Must we always spend our lives asking why? Don't touch that girl!
A monkey!
The Queen of Night!
Are you the monkey who broke a hole in my curtain of night?
You're not dealing with any ordinary monkey, you know. I'm more than your equal. This is the great sage, equal of heaven.
Then you must be a spirit also. I've a sleeping maiden here. We'll dine together.
Drinking blood isn't nice. In fact, Master says I must stop you.
You have a human master? Don't waste my time,
Your husband with his crown. Under the circumstances, perhaps I'd better remove myself. Discretion.
There's no need to worry, you silly swine. Another one. Who is all bluster and hot air?
Woman! I've been informed you're living with a pig monster.
What's that to you? Hey, you. Come, little Pigsy.
Right, yes. Hello, Queen.
Can you tell me, do you intend to go on living with me?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Have you no consideration for our dignity?
Dignity? Not much. My little Pigsy, he has his uses. He's a good Pigsy. Shoulder? Care to massage it?
Right. Flex your fingers. There's the spot. There. Let's describe! Ah! You fool! I'm at a broken hand neck.
You're not jealous, huh?
Be jealous of a dirty creature like that. Watch it. Creature, you're asking for trouble. Fine!
Don't just stand there. Drive them out of my kingdom. The king. Kill him.
Oh, but are you sure after all?
Do it.
Well, I'll try. Oh, hello. Hello, Your Majesty. Look, why don't we just... You fat pig! Well, I'm reasonable. No. I do understand. Good reasoning, that is. Your husband's so full, is it?
You're so useless.
Yes.
I hate everybody. You know what to do.
Majesty! They've conquered the moon.
They're blind without light. Drive them away.
Blind without light? All right. You watch this then. Hey, you, Your Majesty. Think you're so brave? Well, Pigsy's invincible. Yeah! Stop it! You won't kill anyone! I'll take on all of you!
Ha! A six-man pig defeated you and you still haven't learned your lesson. Monkey, use your sorcery.
You know it isn't working any longer! What a stupid time to do that!
I told you to use your magic.
I'll try again! Hey, thanks! It did work! Changing into a lady won't fit you. Did you forget that too? You're a non-person, aren't you? And you have broken the law. The penalty's death. My God, you could have hurt him. You all right? Not hurt? Cat. That was Carol Peg. You're under arrest. Put down your muck rake. Well, it's really unfortunate that you stopped me. What I mean is unfortunate for you.
My lord, for disaster.
Oh dear, what have you done?
We're being attacked by a being of incomparable strength.
Incomparable! No one compares to us! Your strength! Run strength! Follow the tiger! Coming! He doesn't look very fit. Make ready, brothers! Looks like rain again. I don't scare all that easily. Let's see your let's attack. Come on! Spirits attacking us!
Timo! Give it here!
Lincoln's brothers!
Hey! Cut them free! Hurry! Get away! Out of here!
It's getting hot!
Ah, you missed me that time. Oh! It's getting warmer now.
My God, I'm exhausted!
These friends who escaped with me. Let me introduce you, Grandpa. This is Chairman. This is.
Oh no, he's hit!
Champ! Are you hurt badly? Can you stand?
Sue, he's bleeding to death.
Easy now. Can you talk? How do we get in?
On the right. Steps down. Steps into the storm.
Champ! How will we know which steps?
Only one.
One? Just one? You'll die! What's the matter? What's wrong? Oh.
Oh. Sunday. It's my fault. It was me, that damn table. Sound the alarm! Huh? The storerooms! They're being attacked by rebels! Rebels? Hatchet! Let's go! There! Through there! So, Sandy and Pigsy succeeded! My wrist! Up on it! I'm coming over! Up on it! His wrist swells up, and then that's the end of their lightning. There they go! Around the back! Surround them! Don't let them get away! We'll use them as hostages! Ram strength! Get out of the way! What happens if they get into the storerooms? What about that monkey? He's dangerous. We've got to find him first.
What's the matter with your arm? Take a look. It's swelling up.
Try it. My arm.
That's not the way. What are you trying to do, Tali? I don't want to slow you down. You go on. You've got to escape somehow. What are you talking about, you silly girl? No one's more important than anyone else.
Sunday! Pigsy, this passage, we're nearly there. Go and find the stores. They must be here somewhere. I'll try.
Wait, there's a
stone loose here. Might be a secret catch.
Try it. Big Mouth, come on.
Hurry!
Oh, Trippy Tiger!
Stop! Come back!
Someone behind! Anyone!
My life! I'm ruined. All my wine gone.
The jewels!
Pussycat! Are you mad? What's happening?
Jewels!
Look out,
The
Stan!
crown jewels! Where are they? What's happened to them? Ramstate, have you gone crazy? Why did you kick me?
It's the monkey! Oh, I'll show you. Oh, you don't fight fair, you brute.
No, the you. Poor Ram had a very nasty accident. It's your turn now. Somebody's in there.
What do you think it is? Not the immortals. What do you think? Of course it is. This is our chance to get them. Creep in and hit them.
Wait. What about the flames and the burning? I'm still tender.
Ah, you are right. Only two of them. No lightning then.
Yeah, there, poor little pussycat.